Looking for your home away from home in London? We've got you covered. Presenting Spring Mews, the ultimate spot for luxury student living. Located at Tinworth Street, Spring Mews offers a range of fully furnished en-suites, studios, and 1 to 2 bedroom apartments. Each of the supersized rooms comes well-equipped with everything you need to check in and out with ease, including comfy beds, flat-screen TVs, Wi-Fi-enabled workspace, wide shelves, and private bathrooms. On weekends, socialize with your fellow residents in a replica tube-train carriage, the centerpiece of the London-themed common area, or play foosball at the game zone. Need to hit the books? No problem. They've got communal study rooms too, along with a cinema room, on-site gym, swimming pool, and a beautiful outdoor courtyard. With excellent security systems, free unlimited Wi-Fi, and laundry services, you won't have to stress about anything except acing your college degree. And the best part? Spring Mews is just a 10-minute drive away from KCL, Chelsea College of Arts, and London South Bank University. Plus, with the city centre only a 15-minute drive away, you can enjoy London's culture and nightlife to the fullest. It's time to upgrade your student living experience with Spring Mews. Book your room through amberstudent.com and get ready to live your best life in London.